name's Jessica Drew. I'm a patient of Dr. Radecke's. About 10, 15, maybe 12 years ago, I had my second child and I started putting on a lot of weight. Him and I sat down and had a few conversations about gaining weight and that he could help me out and if I would consider the surgery. And fast forward 10 years and I decided, okay, I'm ready.
The three big surgeries are the gastric bypass, which has been around for ages, minimum of 80 years. We've got a ton of data on that. The gastric sleeve, which is a fantastic surgery, and the duodenal switch. For Jessica, we chose the gastric bypass for numerous reasons. Mostly she had some reflux issues. Gastric bypasses cure reflux by about 92.5% of the time.
I feel great now. I have one regret, that I didn't do it sooner.
Jessica is obviously a super success story. We would expect for a gastric bypass that you're going to lose about 80% of your excess weight. And that's fantastic. I mean, that's a great number. I would tell you, Jess is probably leaning closer to 90 to 100 already, and she's not done yet. She's just very motivated. She's lost 160 pounds.
I'm doing things now that I couldn't do before. My kids will look at pictures. We don't remember you being that big, Mom, when they look back at pictures. I haven't bowled in 20 years, and I went back to a bowling league this year. I want to get my wedding bands back on. I hadn't worn them for 17 years. I finally got my wedding bands back on. They're on. They fit.
It's wonderful to see the smile on her face. You know, that's returned, and that makes me happy. She no longer gets short of breath. Her kids have trouble keeping up with her. The surgery itself, 45 minutes to an hour, and it can change the rest of your life.
I've said from the get-go to my husband, I felt like I was watching life, and now I feel like I'm participating in life. It makes a big difference.